In this video, I'm going to show you two methods that you can use to increase the status quality. For example, if you usually upload your photos and videos on your status and then they lose quality, I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first method, go to Play Store and search for Upload High Quality WhatsApp Status. Then get this app and then install it. Once you are done, open it. Go through this welcome screen, and then you can either create the photo or create the video. So when you click on video creation, you'll be able to see all the photo. Okay, this is photo, so this will show you all the photos that you have created using this app, and then video creation will show you all the videos that you have created using this app. So this app will help you to compress your photos and videos to a smaller file size without losing quality, because when WhatsApp compresses your photos and videos, they usually lose quality. So click on photo and then allow storage permission. Then you can choose a photo, for example this one. You can enter the caption that you would want to share with on your WhatsApp status, then click on start. You can start. Once this is done, then you can share this photo on WhatsApp. You can either send it to your contacts or share it on your status. The next method is to use WhatsApp itself. First, you open your WhatsApp and then click on here where you add a contact, then click on yourself to message yourself. Then click on the camera icon, choose the photo. Then once you have chosen this photo, click on HD up here. Okay, this media is not HD resolution. I'm going to get a photo that is HD, maybe this one. Then click on HD and then you can choose HD quality, then send it to yourself like that. So the photo will be sent in HD quality. Now what you can do is that you can share this, you can forward this photo or video if you made a video to your WhatsApp status, and it will be high quality. So those are the two methods that you can use. Thanks for watching, and if you have watched this far and you are new to this channel, a subscription to the channel would be very important.